let's make some chicken bacon ranch enchiladas. Season them up with some barbecue rub, 1 red onion, thick cut bacon, 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Adding my onion to the same pan, unsalted butter, flour, sharp cheddar. Dice up your chicken, bacon, mozzarella, sharp cheddar, sauteed onions, ranch dressing. We're looking for this consistency. Roll, add to your baking dish. Preheat your oven to 375. Cover and bake for 20 to 30 minutes and check on it. Mozzarella, sharp cheddar. Sitting this under the broiler until the cheese melts. Just took these out of the oven. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that.